Todd from Wood Turning Tool Store back with you again. Hey, I'm on a mission to fix a problem with my tool bag. It's a rolling tool bag, and the plastic sort of skate wheels have been chewed up. They're destroyed basically. So I popped them off, took a little bit of time to take those off, got the bearings out, and so I'm going to make some wooden wheels. So we'll turn some wheels. I got a chunk of oak up here, and we'll try and repair that tool bag. I like that, taking that to our club meetings, open shops, demos, stuff like that. So it's a good bag to try and fix. So stick with me. Enjoy the video. If you feel so inclined, please subscribe, like, and this video and my channel. And then also check out woodturningtoolstore.com. Stick around for the video, and we'll see you at the end. Thanks. So I've marked the diameter of the wheel on the outside, and that's the diameter of the tenon, so I can chuck it up. So I just want to make sure I had enough material to do the wheels. So we'll make a tenon now, and then chuck it up. Okay, next step is to figure out the thickness on this thing. So just under an inch. So we'll make it that. And then once we get that sort of established and the wheel shape going, we'll remove the tailstock. I got to create this little recess, 7/8, which will fit this guy here. And then go to depth on that of 1/4, and then in there a 1/2 inch for another 1/4 inch. Fix it right there. Does that mark right? Just going to eyeball the center line here to say that's the diameter that's staying. Here's the general wheel shape. I will remove the tailstock and get stuff drilled. Okay, I've just drilled a 1/2 inch hole. So that's this is actually a bit bigger than a 1/2 inch, like close to 5/8 on the inside, and then this is going to be what did I measure? Just under 7/8. So I'll make that recess with some scrapers, square nose scrapers. Okay, I've got the bearing hole drilled out. Fits the bearing. Just got to press it in there. Just got to press fit. But I think what I'll do, I'll part this off, create the other one, do the same thing, and then turn them both at the same time on the other side. So. One half a wheel, just gotta round that over. Do that side. Bob's your uncle. Okay, so just created this little jam chuck. Sorry, I forgot the word for a second. And took this, and it fits there. And I've already done this one, so jam fit it, core out the inside a little bit more, make the recess, reshape, and then I had to turn around again, just reshape and sand on both sides. And that's it. Wheel is done. So looks pretty cool. Just get a closer fit up there. The bearings are in. I just have to press this one in a little bit more. And there you go. Nice little wheel. Let's do the next one. Go. It's a Drozda type scraper, leveled on both sides. We call it box scraper. Just going to shape this side. I got 80, 120, 150 grit sandpaper. Dust collector goes on. Two wheels done. This is the old axle pin, so I gotta get me one of those, but there. We'll see how those go down the road. For a finish, I'll probably just put some curing oil, tongue or boiled linseed. Probably boiled linseed oil. I've got plenty of that, so soak them in that, let them dry for a few days, maybe a week. So here's the wheel. Used a clevis pin and cotter pin to secure them into the inside of the tool bag. I soaked them for twice or three times with boiled linseed oil. It seems to work fine. There's one installed, and it's a little tricky getting them in there, but they work great, fit perfect. I had to do some minor tune-up on the inside of the hubs to make everything fit, but not a problem. Glad I have the tool bag back. Thanks. Bye for now.